My name is VA Hayman Barber. I am the Dean of Trade and Tech, and we are at St. Paul College in the heart of St. Paul, Minnesota. St. Paul College is the most diverse community college in the state of Minnesota. We have 65% students of color, and it is a wonderful place. Where there's a will, there's a way. We really want to support our students and create equitable practices and pedagogy for students to feel a good sense of belonging. They are also prepared here to get out and work.
My name is Dr. Travis Schachtner. I am the Electromechanical Systems Instructor at St. Paul College, and we are currently in the Electromechanical Systems labs. The Electromechanical Systems program is a program developed out of the electrical technology program at St. Paul College. We have a lot of students that are coming from industry who are looking either to make a career change or move up within their fields. Nowadays, there are a lot of industry that is demanding an associate's degree if they want some of their mechanical technicians to move into a leadership role. Employers want to know that they're not afraid to touch the equipment. They're willing to actually get their hands dirty. Our program is broken into 3 semesters. We do 1 semester that focuses on electricity, and we go into basic electricity, motor controls, motor drives. Then we move from that into our 2nd semester, where we talk about hydraulic and fluid power, pneumatics, and then mechanical power transfer. And then in the 3rd semester, we teach process controls, tying it all together along with 2 different styles of programming. We use the Pegasus controllers in order to teach basic programming, and then we also teach PLC programming. A couple of things I actually like about Amatrol is the components from the e-learning really helps establish that foundational understanding. So the content is delivered through the e-learning components. There's voice support in the online material along with labs that they can do online. So the online material was stupendous. And then when they come in, the labs that they're doing is directly related to the e-learning that they've been going through online. When set up properly, like with what we have for AC/DC, they bleed right into each other. The Amatrol trainers themselves typically is off-the-shelf parts for industrial equipment. These are actual components that you will be working with in the field. And the fact that, yes, it's sized for what we're working with right now. The only difference between this and industry may be that the components you're working on are going to be bigger. The handful of things that aren't industry specific are that way for a reason. So like with the pneumatics trainers, the directional control valves that are used, they're not industry specific, but that's because they're made out of plexi or a polymer so they can be seen. So it really helps out with students getting comfortable with working with the equipment.
They have a lot of fun here. They make very cool things, and you walk out just so much further than when you walked in. So I think they get a great value out of coming to St. Paul College.
I get a lot of success stories. I think a lot of it has to do with the motivation and the non-traditional aspect of the students that come in. They're very motivated to move in and throughout the fields.
I see our students start businesses. I see them grow into management roles. I see them advance very quickly. I think the skills and the confidence that they have positions them really well to be leaders in their industry.
Our industry partners really love the fact that our students are coming out with a solid knowledge base that they can build upon and help actually get them working in the field a lot quicker. They can trust the people they hired from this program a lot sooner to be able to work on their own. That broad-based knowledge it comes with the confidence of, I may not know it now, but I am willing to learn it. And in a field like electromechanical or industrial maintenance in general, it's a field where you're dedicated yourself, whether you wanted to or not, to becoming a lifelong learner, because you're working with technology, and technology is constantly changing, but the basics to it, how the theories behind electricity, the theories behind fluid movement, those are the constants that the technology is built upon. I feel like I'm really giving back to the industry that gave me so much. So I really like the fact that I'm helping develop the future technicians.
The trades right now, not only in the state of Minnesota, but in the country, are getting wonderful press. There's a lot of energy, there's a lot of momentum, there's a lot of funding, and I think that is creating a ripple effect for us. We are also in the heart of a diverse urban area in a state that has tremendous headquarters, manufacturing, companies that want to engage. Give the trades a shot. They're very cool. They're very dynamic. They're multifaceted, and especially a program like this. And I think it's a really awesome option for students and professionals to pursue. So have an open mind when you're going into this work. You can do all kinds of stuff with it, and you can have a really fulfilling, not only personal, but lucrative career path with some awesome companies right here in our backyard.